Welcome to CarCraft, where we celebrate the best of automotive engineering, design, and history. Today we're diving deep into a true automotive masterpiece, the 2025 Willys Coupe Gasser. This modern-day interpretation of a drag racing legend combines classic Gasser styling with cutting-edge technology. Let's explore what makes this car a must-have for any hot rod enthusiast. Exterior design. The 2025 Willys Coupe Gasser stays true to the unmistakable silhouette of its predecessors. Its chopped roof, teardrop headlights, and flared fenders instantly evoke the spirit of vintage Gassers. However, modern touches like LED lighting and aerodynamic tweaks bring the design into the 21st century. The raised front end and custom-painted flames on the sides are a nod to its drag racing heritage, making this car as visually striking as it is fast. But interior and luxurious. Inside, the 2025 Willys Coupe Gasser offers the perfect blend of nostalgia and practicality. Classic bucket seats, retro-style gauges, and a minimalist dashboard pay homage to the Gassers of old. However, modern conveniences like a digital control panel, air conditioning, and a hidden sound system add a layer of comfort. The roll cage and racing harnesses remind you that this is a machine built for serious performance. Engine and performance. Under the hood lies the beating heart of the 2025 Willys Coupe Gasser, a supercharged 7.0-liter V8 engine that cranks out a jaw-dropping 1,200 horsepower. Paired with a 6-speed manual transmission, this car is built for pure, unfiltered speed. The high-rise intake manifold, straight exhaust pipes, and vintage-style dual carburetors ensure it looks and sounds like a true drag racer. With a top speed exceeding 180 mph and quarter-mile times in the sub-9-second range, this Gasser is a performance beast. A blast from the past. The Willys Coupe Gasser is a name that echoes through the golden age of drag racing. In the 1950s and 60s, Willys Coupes were transformed into Gassers, lightweight drag cars with high front ends and massive power plants. These cars were the kings of the quarter mile, known for their wild launches and loud, unapologetic styling. The 2025 Willys Coupe Gasser is a homage to this era, designed to honor its roots while showcasing modern innovation. Built for the drag strip. The chassis and suspension of the 2025 Willys Coupe Gasser are engineered for the strip. The straight axle front suspension gives it the iconic high stance, while the rear four-link setup with adjustable coilovers provides the grip and stability needed for explosive launches. Lightweight materials like aluminum and carbon fiber ensure the car remains nimble, while the reinforced frame can handle the immense power output. A modern legend. The 2025 Willys Coupe Gasser isn't just a tribute to the past, it's a reinvention of a legend. Whether you're a fan of classic drag racing, modern engineering, or jaw-dropping design, this car has something for everyone. It bridges the gap between history and innovation, proving that the Gasser spirit is alive and well. Outro. Subscribe to CarCraft. Thank you for tuning in to CarCraft, where we bring the best in automotive culture to life. If you loved learning about the 2025 Willys Coupe Gasser, don't forget to like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. Until next time, keep crafting your passion for cars.